Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are covering the top Nifty 50 movers and key market levels to watch. If you enjoy this analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe for daily stock market updates. Now let us get started. Despite Nifty falling 0.55% to 24,078 rupees 5, the real surprise was its neutral RSI at 49.8. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE. In the next 6 minutes, you'll see which stocks led the gains, key market trends, and crucial index levels to track. The index opened at 24,085 rupees 85, hit a high of 24,220 rupees 35, and a low of 24,010 rupees 55, before closing below yesterday at 24,078 rupees 5. Prev close 24,211 rupees 0. Technically, the RSI sits at 49.8, basically neutral, while the short-term trend shows EMA9 at 24,120 rupees, sitting above EMA20 at 24,035 rupees, signaling a mild short-term bullish bias despite the close lower. Volume was normal versus the 20-day average. Key resistance for the day is 24,260 rupees and support around 24,000 rupees. And the index is trading within 2.1% of its 52-week high at 26,373 rupees too. So that zone remains a strong historical resistance area. On flows, note this multi-day pattern. FIIs have net sold for 2 straight sessions, while DIIs absorbed that selling for 3 sessions, a tug-of-war that helps explain choppy price action. Put simply, institutional flows are rotating and the index is oscillating near heavy technical ceilings. Drop the stock you're watching in the comments, I read every one. UltraTech Cement opened at 11,504 rupees 0 and closed at 11,812 rupees 0, up 2.75%, trading between a low of 11,504 rupees 0 and a high of 11,855 rupees 0. Prev close 11,496 rupees 0. The short story. The stock cleared its 20-day closing high today. That breakout pushed it into price discovery territory and likely drew attention. Technicals back the move. RSI at 63.1 is neutral to leaning higher, and EMA9 at 11,594 rupees sits above EMA20 at 11,514 rupees, a short-term bullish alignment. Volume ran about 1.72 the 20-day average, which is meaningful but not extreme. The key resistance intraday was 11,855 rupees, and immediate support is near 11,355 rupees. Note the stock remains about 3.8% below its 52-week high set 56 sessions ago. Funny note, UltraTech broke above the 20-day like someone clearing a low hurdle, polite but decisive. The key level to watch tomorrow is whether it can hold above the 20-day breakout zone. If it does, the price discovery narrative stays alive. Now on to the surprising gainer. But the biggest surprise today is still ahead. Here's why. Zomato opened at 285 rupees 0 and closed at 294 rupees 8, up 3.02%, with an intraday low of 283 rupees 05 and a high of 296 rupees 45. Prev closed 286 rupees 15. The obvious signal is that Zomato is near its 52-week high within 1.8%, and the price action pushed up toward that resistance cluster. Technicals are loud. RSI at 74.3 flags overbought conditions, and EMA9 at 286 rupees sits above EMA20 at 277 rupees, showing short-term bullish momentum. Volume was 1.43 the 20-day average, so this wasn't just a retail whisper. The key resistance to watch is 300 rupees and support sits around 279 rupees. In plain English, the stock is running hot and is close to a round resistance level, so watch for how it reacts at 300 rupees. Zomato at RSI 74.3 looks hungrier than usual. It might need a pause to catch its breath. As always, this is market observation. Verify with your advisor before any decision. That brings us to the last gainer. HDFC Life Insurance opened at 558 rupees 5 and closed at 568 rupees 75, up 2.44%, trading between 558 rupees 0 and 575 rupees 35. Prev close 555 rupees 2. The interesting part, despite a short-term bearish signal from moving averages, the stock still managed a solid session. Look at the internals. RSI at 50.2 is neutral, but EMA9 at 566 rupees sits below EMA20 at 571 rupees, a short-term bearish crossover, even though the price closed higher. Volume was 1.28 the 20-day average, so activity picked up modestly. Resistance today is around 577 rupees and support near 565 rupees. The stock remains about 12.3% below its 52-week high set 64 sessions ago. Dry observation. The 9-day average is politely disagreeing with the day's close short-term averages versus price had a quiet argument. Watch whether HDFC Life can reclaim and stay above the short-term averages tomorrow. That will tell you if the recent uptick has follow-through. Moving to wrap-up. Today's theme. Selective strength, a few large-cap names led gains, while the index hovered near a key resistance zone and institutional flows rotated. Watchlist items for tomorrow. First, Nifty's reaction around 24,000 rupees, 24,260 rupees. Second, how Zomato behaves near 300 rupees and whether UltraTech holds its 20-day breakout. If this format helped you, like the video, drop your watchlist stock in the comments, and subscribe for concise market recaps. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.